The fire's lit. Won't be much longer now. It's Dutch Oven Wars. That's right, y'all. It's wars. Dutch Oven Wars. And this was all started by Dark Matter. DIY Dark Matter, so to speak. And I appreciate it, Dark. Carolina Chris, I appreciate you. He tagged me, guys. Carolina Chris Outdoor tagged me. I'll have the video link down below in the bucket, and I'll have it at the end of the video down here. So y'all can click on it and check it out. What we're doing today is I'm going to revisit one of my number one, if not my number one video, where I did some barbecue and some ribs in the Dutch oven. Today I'm going to use my Squire Dutch oven. I don't have it out here right now, but I'm going to use it. We're going to use the same thing I did last time with the porter. We're going to put some ribs in there. Now I'm not making barbecue this time, I'm just doing the ribs. We're going to use some vegetables. I've got onions in here, tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. I've got jalapeno peppers in here, bell peppers, and some squash. So any kind of vegetables you want to use, and you'll see what I'm talking about and how I use it. And if you watch my other video, I'll put that link down below as well, and you can check it out because it is my number one video. It's got over 300,000 views, so I'm very excited about that. I appreciate every one of y'all for watching it. We're going to be putting some rub on these, but before we do, we're going to spread a little of this liquid butter on it, okay? And we're going to use some competition style rub that was sent to me by my cousin, one of my favorite and best supporters of this channel. Appreciate you, cuz. He sent me some of his hot barbecue rub. He says just use a little of this, not a lot. I'm telling you, he said it's really good. You can get this at barbecuesuperstore.com. You can also get Mojo Rub at barbecuesuperstore.com, but I'm gonna tell you a little secret. Right now, if you go to www.americanoutdoorusa.com, I'll have it right up here, and you use this promo code right here, you'll get free shipping. Barbecue 2018. Can't get no better than that. You want some of this Mojo Rub. I'm telling you, it's better than bone sucking sauce or any of the other stuff you can get. This is the stuff right here. If you want to have barbecue magic, just like what it says on the bottle, go get you some. I'm telling you. Now, I don't make a thing from this. I don't make a thing. I don't make no money from this. Nobody's sponsoring me on this. This is all about me promoting the product. I know it's going to be good. Okay? And if you want some, go check it out. If you don't, then, you know, that's cool. Try the other stuff. I have tried it too. This right here, I believe is going to be the best I ever put in my mouth. Y'all stick around. Got the fire going, building up some coals. We're going to rub this stuff down and get it going. I mean, it's going to be a war. Dutch Oven Wars. And we're going to see who's coming out on top. Cal's going to see me too. All right, guys, what we want to do, we're going to put on some butter. This will help hold the sauce on our ribs. It'll also add some flavoring. You can use mustard. That's fine. Not a big deal. Not going to put much of this on here, but it will. This will keep off the bugs. This is not the Mojo. This is the fire, the hot rub. You can also use this like a 3-2-1 method. You can wrap these up in aluminum foil after you cooked them a little while, smoked them, put some apple cider vinegar in them, wrap them up for the last hour or so on the grill. The bone will slide out of it. Be awesome. I'll pour me a little bit of peanut oil in here. That should be plenty. Okay. Anytime y'all working with stuff like this, make sure you got gloves on, because it is real hot. All right, I'm gonna make sure the bottom's coated. We're gonna put in some vegetables. Again, I got squash, Vidalia onion, jalapeno peppers, tomatoes, Roma's tomatoes, and I got some the orange looking tomatoes, or the Mr. Stripies. We're going to cover this and let it simmer for a little while. Oh yeah. They're cooking. Doing really good. What this is gonna do is this is gonna make a trivet so that when I put the ribs on here, they don't burn on the bottom. Because I'm lowering this on down and I'm gonna put some coals on top. But first we gotta add the ribs. Okay y'all, here's the ribs. They ready to go. We're gonna lay them on there real nice. One of them looks so nice. And I'm using my meat fork that was hand forged by Mr. Bill Corey. And I appreciate you. I love this thing. Check it out, it's got a leaf on it. I used this in a previous video. All right, we're gonna cover these up with a little bit of cold beer, hang on. Whoops. We're gonna be running with a little Yuengling Porter today. You can use what you want. Oh Lord, look at the goodness. I'm gonna cover this up right away. I'm gonna lower this down, put coals on top, and in about 2 hours, she'll be ready to rock and roll. Now all we do is wait. Start the timer. 2 hours. Fire's kind of died down a little. Oh yeah. We're cooking with Mojo now. Hey y'all, on a serious side note, I wanted to tell each and every one of y'all, thank you for coming by Calvin's Corner 72. If it wasn't for y'all watching these videos and viewing it, I wouldn't be nothing. I'd still be old Calvin's Corner 72. But I really do appreciate it. I like cooking outdoors when I get a chance and when I feel good. When I got some beautiful weather like today. Look, fall is in the air. Leaves are falling right now. You know, I just jumped a deer when I come out here. There was a big old doe right out here, and she took off running over that way when I come outside. Won't be long to be deer hunting season, and I won't have too much time to do any of this outdoor cooking stuff unless I get a deer and go camping. So I expect to have some videos of me going doing some deer hunting this year. Don't know how good they'll be, but I'll do the best I can with them. Show a little camp life. I got a video coming up before long, and I can't let the cat out of the bag where I'm going to go, and what I'm going to be doing is doing a little bit of kayaking down the river. But y'all see that eventually. Yes sir, you sure will. Me and Rascal, we tell you thank you for coming by Calvin's Corner 72, watching these old cooking videos. At 1 hour in, I'm peeking inside. We're peeking inside. We want to see what she looks like. I believe it's going to be interesting. Y'all stick around. Hey y'all, did I mention Keller Hogs? Oh yeah, hot barbecue rub. Color with a kick. You can get this at www.kellerhogs.com as well. Some awesome stuff right here, guys. And did I mention that the Mojo rub comes from the great state of Tennessee? You see that right there, don't you? Oh yeah. I wish this thing would focus in. There we go. Barbecue magic, baby. You can also get this at TennesseeMojoBarbecue.com. But I don't know if you'll get the free discount. So I will have that link down below. Just make sure you use that Barbecue 2018 promo code. Okay, y'all. It's only been about 40, 45 minutes, but I'm going to check them anyways. safety first. And because it's windy out here, I want to go ahead and take a brush or something and knock some of these ashes off, because I don't want to get them in my ribs. Holy moly, look at that. Oh yeah, them's doing just right. Got one thing I want to do. I want to flip them. And I did take the membrane off of these. And how easy that fork went in there. Oh boy, these are going to be awesome, y'all. Hey y'all, it lacks about 7 minutes. I figure it's time to eat it. I'm tired of waiting. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Y'all have got to look in this. Holy moly. Check that out, y'all. Holy moly. If y'all could just smell the goodness. That is so good. Holy moly. Check this out, y'all. Holy moly. God, look at them. Them vegetables. Oh, yeah. Let me get some peppers. There's a jalapeno. Bell peppers. Squash. Onions. Ooh, I'll sleep good tonight. Let's check these ribs out, y'all. Oh, wow, look at that. Looks like the meat's just falling right off the bone. Matter of fact, bone just come out of it. Oh, golly. There's another one. If y'all have never done this before, oh my God, that is so good, y'all. Let me say my prayers. Y'all got to get some of this stuff right here. Y'all have got to try this. Look at this, guys. I mean, falling off the bone. Thank you, Dark Matter, for doing the Dutch Oven Wars. Thank you for tagging me, Carolina Chris. This is all because of y'all. Oh my God, that is so juicy. That is cooked to perfection, and no barbecue sauce needed. I mean, it is cooked, it is so soft. If you didn't have no teeth, you could eat this. You could gum this stuff. Y'all gotta try this. This is the best ribs ever made. Just like my #1 video, I hope this one ends up being my #2 video. Y'all get over there, check out Carolina Chris. I'm gonna put his video right down here, somewhere right in here, okay? Y'all check out the video. It was my #1 video. Make sure you go get you some of this rub. I'll put all the links and stuff down below. Y'all check it out, and get over and check out Dark Matter. DIY Dark Matter, because he's got the Dutch Oven Wars, and I think I just give him the 1-2 punch, baby. This is off the chain. Y'all got to try it out. Appreciate y'all coming by Calvin's Corner 72. I got some ribs to eat. Oh yeah, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. There goes the alarm. Hey y'all, one more thing I forgot. I gotta tag somebody else. I'm gonna tag Ronnie over at Southern Food Junkie. I know he'll do this. I'm sure he's got a Dutch oven. If he ain't, just do the best you can, brother, because it's a war. And I'm tagging Papa Texas. Oh yeah, you're tagged, brother. Get in this war. DIY Dark Matter war. And one more brother. A brother from another mother. Y'all gonna flip out when I say who I'm gonna say. Huntingwood Hadaway, you tagged, brother. I know you'll do a good job. Appreciate y'all coming by Calvin's Corner 72. Now get out there, cause this war. Speaking of that, it's bedtime.